Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to pair Apple AirPods to Smart TV. Guys, one important thing to remember before I move further is this method will work on almost all TVs having Bluetooth support, irrespective of the TV brand and model. The menu of your TV may look different, but the steps are same. So pay attention to our video, don't skip any part. Like it and do subscribe our channel to watch more videos like this. And don't forget to press the bell icon for my latest videos notification. Guys, you are watching, I have AirPods in my hand. You can hear your TV's audio through them and enjoy your favorite programs without disturbing others. First step is to go to settings. Your TV menu may be different, don't worry. In the settings, go to Bluetooth option. Here all the paired devices and new devices are shown. You are watching, we can't see the AirPods in the list. To connect this, you have to press and hold the circle button located at the back side of AirPods case. This is the button. We have to press and hold. When we press and hold it, you will watch a white still light that was green when it's not paired. Here is the white light. Now disable the Bluetooth and quickly enable it again. If your AirPods are not shown up, again press and hold the button and search for connectable devices from the TV. Here we go viewers, our AirPods are now shown up in connectable devices. I will now select them and press OK on it. A connection confirmation will pop up asking for pairing. Press OK on pair and wait. That's it. Our AirPods are now connected and we can hear our TV's audio through them. Now I will test the audio for you by playing anything on the TV. My channel is full of repairing and troubleshooting TV's videos, so subscribe it.
फॉर्मूला क्रीम से आपका निखार कहीं बात न पड़ जाए, तभी तो हम बना रहे हैं आपके लिए निखार को और भी बेहतर नीम, हल्दी और तुलसी की एक्स्ट्रा पावर.
You can hear TV audio through the speakers. Now I will take out the AirPods and check again if this works or not. You can hear the audio coming through them. I hope that you should now connect your AirPods easily with your TV after watching my video. Still, if you have any questions or query, do ask in comment section. I will surely reply you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.